we will walk together, journey together, alongside with God, that would help you fulfill the purpose of God in your life. And Jonathan have seen that. Nakita niya kay David, if there will be somebody among the army, it's going to be David. Then alam niya na itong batang ito, may destiny ito. Bata man siya, may purpose. Do you realize ano ang age gap ni David and Jonathan? Jonathan was already a full, adult, well-trained soldier during the time. While David was just a young shepherd boy. Mus pa si David. Pero nakitaan na ni Jonathan at nakipagtipan siya bilang kaibigan kay David dahil nakita niya na God is with this young boy and God has a purpose for this next generation. Na bigla na lamang ibinigay niya sa sarili niya na minahal niya ito si David na higit pa na pagmamahal niya sa sarili niya. Nakita niya, ito ang taong hinahanap ko bilang mga kaibigan na ako na makasama habang buhay. Yung may takot sa Diyos. Tao na maglalapit sa akin sa Diyos. Tao na marunong gumalang sa Diyos. That's why David made a covenant with Jonathan that day. If you are going to find a friend and look for someone that you will journey with, find someone na meron takot sa Diyos. Yung tao na maglalapit sa Diyos,